In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Gemini Memory to Claude AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and head on over to Claude AI. Then from there, sign into your account. Then once you sign into your account, click onto your user profile. Now from here, we need to click onto the settings tab. Now inside of settings, we want to go ahead and find the capabilities tab that should be located on the left here. Here it is here. So click onto that. So what we want to do here, to the right of that, we've got the option to import memory from another or other AI provider. So bring relevant context and data from another AI provider to Claude will provide a prompt you can use to fetch the memory from your other account. So you can go ahead and click on the start import. Now from this, we want to copy this prompt into a chat with your other AI provider. So go ahead and click on copy, and then you want to paste the results below to add to Claude's memory. So I'm going to do this with, say, ChatGPT. So I'm going to copy this. Now I'm going to open up ChatGPT. Now I'm just going to paste this in that code and then click send prompt. Now it's going to spit out a result here. So let that, here it is. This is the complete set of stored memories I currently have about you. So I want to copy that, then come back to Claude, paste your memory details in here like that, and click on add to memory.